A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on Legal Reasoning Part 13. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT, ALIT, Symbiosis, BLIT, Jamia and other host of examination, I welcome each and every one of you for today's live session. In today's session, friends, we are going to discuss some important legal knowledge based questions. Now, before I start with today's class, why should we prepare for knowledge-based questions? Because insofar as your CLAT examination is concerned, you will be provided with a particular passage. A passage of around 450 words. You need to read that passage carefully, understand the essence of the passage, the theme of the passage, understand what the author of the passage is trying to say, and thereafter you have to answer certain questions. Now, we have seen that in certain passages, there might be certain questions that you will be asked which relates to legal knowledge. Now, unless and until you have that amount of knowledge quotient in your mind while you are reading those particular passages, it will become difficult for you to solve those questions. Now, these questions in your passages might revolve around law of torts, law of contracts, constitution, civil law, CPC, matrimonial law, or Indian Penal Code, that is a law of crimes. So whichever subject the passage deals with, you have to understand that passage, understand the author's interpretation of a particular thing. Even if you do not agree yourself, you have to answer in accordance to what the author is trying to portray. For this reason, we bring to you, friends, this very important session where we shall be dealing with important legal knowledge question. So a very good afternoon to all of you, friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So friends, let's begin. Before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a Hindu analysis every day at 11 a.m. This section will deal with the important editorials, those important news that you will find in your Hindu. I'm talking about the newspaper. So, every day there will be a Hindu analysis at 11 a.m. on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Now, this session will be in bilingual and will be conducted by Rabia Khan. So, Rabia Khan will be every day discussing the Hindu analysis at 11 a.m. So, definitely join every day for this important session. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, ALIT, SLAT, BLIT, Jamia LLB 2022. So those of you who are preparing for Maharashtra CET, ALIT, SLAT, BLIT and Jamia, for you, we are bringing this particular very important course, an express course for each and every one of you. So definitely get yourself enrolled for this particular course and start your preparation with BYJU'S Exam Prep. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022. The course has been launched. Enroll yourself, or rather start with the free trial today itself. So friends, let's begin. The first question. Read the question very carefully and tell me the correct answer. Okay? Read the question. The idea of social justice, economic justice, and political justice, which is found in our preamble, has been inspired from which of the following? Is it the Russian Revolution? Is it the American Civil War? Is it the French Revolution? Or is it from the Japanese Constitution? The idea of social justice, economic justice, and political justice. Please give me the answers. I see people are saying option D. Option D, Japanese Constitution. Two of you have said, okay. Anyone with any other answer? Anyone with any other answer? Okay. No, option D is not the right answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. The idea of social justice, economic justice, and political justice, which finds place in our preamble, has been drawn from the Russian Revolution. It is from the Russian Revolution that we get inspired of social justice, economic justice, and political justice. Am I clear? Some people have also said C, that is the French Revolution. No, it is not French Revolution also. It is the Russian Revolution. Okay? I'm sure that you must have heard about the Tsars. The Tsar dynasty got over with the Russian Revolution, where the entire Tsar family was killed. Okay? The Tsars of Russia crumbled. Okay, fantastic. Moving on to question number 2. Read the question very carefully and give me the right answer. The question says that the preamble to the Indian Constitution aims at securing what? It aims at securing dignity of individual, unity and integrity of the nation, fundamental rights to all individual, fundamental rights to all citizen, or security of tenure to all government servant. Which of the following is the correct answer? Please. I see Chala saying A, that is dignity and of individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Okay, anyone with any other answer? Okay, so I have Nikam also saying option A. What about the rest? What about the rest? The preamble to the Indian Constitution aims at securing which of the following? Dignity of individual and unity and integrity of the nation, fundamental rights to all individuals, fundamental rights to the citizen of India, or security of tenure to all government servant. And the correct answer is dignity and of individual and unity and integrity of the nation. So the correct answer is dignity of individual, unity and integrity of the nation. So option A happens to be the right answer. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So these are so you might get a passage on the Constitution and the Preamble, and you might get a question like this, right? Okay, fantastic. Okay, moving on to question number 3. The word tort comes from which word? Is it wrong in English? It's a Latin term called tortum, it's a Roman called delicit, or a Sanskrit word jama. The word tort that we use in law of tort, okay, it refers to civil wrong, right? The civil law. Now the word tort has been derived from this Latin term called tortum. Now what does this word tortum mean? The word tortum means an act that is twisted, or an act that is not straight. Is that clear? So the word tortum refers to civil wrong. In Latin, the word tortum refers to an act that is twisted or an act that is not straight. Is that clear? The correct answer is option B. Is that clear to each and every one of you? So friends, if you are liking today's session, please click on the like button, share this session with your friends who all are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination, and that is going to help you. Okay, so help yourself and help others. That should be your motto. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, great, great, great. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. A obtains property from B by saying that your child is in the hands of my gang and will be put to death unless you send 10 lakh rupees. So, if you are threatening someone in delivering some movable property which he would not have given, unless and until you are putting someone into the fear of death, what is it? Is it criminal breach of trust? Is it robbery? Is it extortion? Or is it theft? Most of you are giving me the right answer. Very good. It amounts to extortion. You are trying to extort money. That is what is extortion, right? Your child is in the hands of my gang and we put to death unless you send us 10 lakh rupees. You are threatening someone to deliver some movable property by putting a person who he is interested in life threat. The correct answer is option C. Okay, all of you. Okay, moving on to question number 5. the offense of theft becomes robbery. It's not dacoity. It's not dacoity. Please, please, please. Please do not get yourself confused. Dacoity is different. The offense of theft becomes robbery when it is coupled with force. Even theft is coupled with force. So A is not the right answer. Let's come to committed by 5 or more than 5%. No, because that amounts to dacoity. Committed by 2 but less than 5 people. 2 people, 1 person can also commit. So option D also goes away. Coupled with the imminent danger to life. So if you are threatening someone, that you say that I am taking your property with a pistol on his head, that act becomes robbery. Imminent danger to life. When there is an imminent danger, you are stealing someone's property with a danger that you are posing to his or her life. That is what we refer to as robbery. Am I clear? Is that clear to each and every one of you? I'm sure that option C was given. So option C and D was given just to confuse you between theft and dacoity. Okay, so do not get yourself confused. Do not get yourself confused, because CLAT, ALIT, SLAT, JAMIA, BLIT will all try to confuse you. The answer might be very simple, but do not get yourself confused. Okay. Question number 6. What do you mean by undue influence? What do you mean by undue influence? Let's first understand that. What do we mean by undue influence? So if a person is taking advantage, if you are taking advantage because of someone's position or office. So if you are taking advantage of the chair that you sit, I'm not talking about the chair, I'm talking about the position that you occupy, and thereafter persuade someone. Now, every one of us has a right to enter into an agreement out of our free will. And if you are not using physical force, but you are using a kind of a mental force, taking advantage of your position that you are holding to force that man to enter into a contract, then that contract is void. Am I clear? Is that clear to everyone? So if a person, now there can be certain people who are in a dominant position. If a person is in a dominant position and he can influence the other person's will, he can influence the other person's will to enter into that contract, then that contract is suffered by undue influence. Such a contract which suffers through undue influence is void under the Indian Contract Act. Am I clear to each and every one? Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? Okay? The correct answer is option E. Moving on to question number 7. A proposal is said to be complete when it reaches the knowledge of the acceptor. So A proposes by letter to sell his house to B. The communication is complete. Now, out of the four, which of the one is the best answer? When A makes such a proposal, no. So C also gets away. Now let's come to B. When B accepts the proposal, it might not be the best answer, not the best answer, but out of this four, B happens to be the better answer than the rest. It is not the absolute correct answer, but you have to choose as a student who is preparing for this examination insofar as CLAT and other law entrance examination is concerned, which answer is the best out of the four. And out of this four, option B happens to be the best answer. Is that clear? So when I make an offer, I say I want to sell my pen for ₹100. The moment the knowledge of my offer reaches the acceptor's knowledge, when the acceptor comes to the knowledge that I have made that offer, offer is said to be complete. So the best answer would have been when B gets aware of the proposal. When B is aware of the proposal, it comes to his knowledge. That would have been the best answer. But out of this four, B is the best answer. Okay? Did you all understand? Did each and every one of you understand? Okay. Question number 8. In tort, the remedy is available against, is it against the world or against a particular person or both A and B or none of the above? The correct answer is against the rem. Okay? Is that clear? Some of you have given me the right answer. The correct answer is option A. Question number 9. Who cannot be sued under law of tort in India? Any person can be sued for law of tort in India except a foreign sovereign or an infant or a state or public official. Let's see the correct answer from you. Let us see the correct answer from each and every one of you guys, please. 9. Okay, Mosvi, Malik, Ankita, Shrishti, Chalala. Okay, everyone says B. If everyone is saying B, then how can I say it is A, C or D? So the correct answer is definitely B, an infant. Okay, very good, very good. Every one of you are saying B, so I have to say B. Right, very good, very good. That's nice, so nice. Question number 10. The 42nd constitutional amendment was made in which year? The 42nd constitutional amendment was made in which year? Everyone is giving me the right answer. I hopefully see. Okay, 10A, Mozvi Malik, Sana Ali, Shrishti, Pooja, Kumari, Shivani, Utkarsh. Yes, everyone has given me the right answer. The correct answer is 1976. Okay. The 42nd constitutional amendment came in the year 1976. Those during the days of internal emergency by Indira Gandhi. Okay, so Indira Gandhi got this amendment to change the Constitution of India. Okay, fantastic. So out of the 10 questions today, how many got 10 out of 10? How many of you got 10 out of 10? Tell me. How many got 10 out of 10? Or rather, what are your scores out of 10? Give me. Tell me in the chat box. Please tell me, how much did you score out of 10? Okay, someone says 10. Okay, 8. What about the rest? 8. Okay. Mozvi Malik says 8. Utkarsh says 8. Harshita says 8. Muji says 8. Manisha Sharma says 8. Anybody who got above 8? Utkarsh Nikam says 8. Shivani Kumari says 8. Okay, Bilindya says 8. Okay. So I see that most of you who gave who was a part of today's session probably got around 8. Okay, somebody said 5. Okay. Bhumika Meena, don't worry, you have to work hard. Shrishti Kataria, you need to work hard. You got 6. Bhumika, okay, 8. Good. If you get 8, it's okay. But if you have got less than 8, you require to work hard. Okay? Is that clear to each and every one of you? You are required to work hard. Fantastic. That's great to see. Guys. Fantastic. Nice. Okay. Definitely we will come up with more questions like these in the classes ahead so that you guys are well prepared insofar as your preparation for CLAT 2022 as well as ALET 2022, BLET 2022, Symbiosis 2022, that is CLAT. And I'm sure that you guys are aware of the fact that from today onwards, ALET, those who are preparing for ALET 2022, the forms have started coming from NLU Delhi. So I'm sure that you guys are aware of it. Okay, ALET 2022, the notification is out. Please get yourself enrolled for ALET 2022 so that it's a very important examination. Okay, fantastic. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a booster course on legal affairs and current events for CLAT 2022. This will be batch 2. The course has been started. Start your free trial today. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2022 concept for legal affairs, current events, static GK and from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a comprehensive course batch 7 for CLAT 2023. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 100 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's session. More of these sessions we shall come soon. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. See you soon. Take care, guys.